Right, right.
Right.
Which leads me to my next question. In
Mm.
what ways are leaders shaping the culture in the organization? We've already talked about some.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, those are not so good ones. How about some? Do you have some good examples to share with us about how leaders have helped shape an organization in a very positive manner?
Yeah, yes, Paul. In fact, one of the things that I would always share when I run leadership training programs is that our actions, our role modeling, uh, what is required in the workplace when it comes to decorum, when it comes to performance standards, when it comes to customer relations. These are what sticks on the mind of our team members, right? So role modeling is one that's the most powerful, if I may say.